Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to automatically delete your account if you are away or if you don't come online within a set period of time on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on privacy and security, then scroll down to the automatically delete my account section, and here tap on this if away for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year, or delete account now. So select from these 4 options, and if you don't come online at least once within this period that you have set, your account will be deleted along with all messages and contacts. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.